In this video, we'll learn how to hide and unhide rows, columns, and sheets in Excel. Let's start with hiding rows. Click on the row numbers, drag to select the rows you want to hide, then right-click Hide. The selected rows will disappear. Now to unhide them, notice how it jumps from row 2 to 8, meaning rows 3 to 7 are hidden. To bring them back, select rows 2 and 8, right-click and choose Unhide. You can also do this from the Home tab. Format, Hide and unhide rows. If your first row is hidden, just select the column letters, then row 2, right-click and unhide. That will reveal the top row again. If multiple rows or columns are hidden in different places, here's a quick fix. Click the small triangle icon in the top left corner to select the entire sheet, then right-click any column header, unhide, and do the same for rows. This unhides everything at once. To hide a whole sheet, make sure you have another sheet open. Then go to Home Format, Hide and unhide, Hide Sheet. Your selected sheet will disappear. To unhide it, go back to the same menu, Unhide Sheet, select the hidden sheet from the list and click OK. Your sheet is back. Thanks for watching.